Wanna hide something from internet prying eyes? Introducing steganography. Steganography is a practice of concealing secret information embedded to other data, such as image, audio file, or even text. Within this method, the secret message remains undetectable to the naked eye, requiring specialized software or technique to reveal the hidden contents. For instance, journalists might use steganography to protect this source embedding encryption data within the image to safeguard identities. Various tools and software that support steganography are readily accessible, such as StegHide, StegoSuite, OpenCuff, and Show Steganography. Steganography is relevant to cybersecurity as it can be used for legal legitimate and malicious purposes, such as threat actors may use steganography to hide data, conceal malicious data, or send instructions to command and control servers. Food for thought.